Perhaps the best culinary journey I embarked on was learning to prepare the iconic Canadian dish, poutine. I had heard so much about this indulgent comfort food that I decided to give it a try and make it from scratch. It was on a lazy weekend afternoon when I decided to take on this challenge. I gathered the essential ingredients: crispy French fries, cheese curds, and gravy. I had never made cheese curds before, so that part of the process was both intriguing and slightly nerve-wracking. I followed a recipe diligently, slowly heating and curdling the milk until it formed the characteristic cheese curds. Next came the French fries. I sliced the potatoes, double-fried them to achieve that perfect crunch, and then seasoned them with a sprinkle of salt. A rich, flavorful gravy was crucial to elevate the dish, so I sautéed onions, added beef broth, and seasoned it to create the perfect accompaniment. As all the components came together, I layered the crispy fries with the freshly made cheese curds and then generously poured the warm gravy over them. The cheese curds started to melt slightly from the heat of the gravy, creating a satisfying texture. When I took that first bite of homemade poutine, I was transported to the Canadian diners where I had tasted this dish before. The combination of crispy fries, melty cheese curds, and savory gravy was everything I had hoped for. Learning to prepare poutine was not just about mastering a recipe, it was about connecting with a culture through its cuisine. It made me appreciate the art of comfort food and how something seemingly simple can bring so much joy.